Hello and welcome back to another video of the Ipsy Glam bag opening, and today we're doing the July 2019 glam bag. Very happy with it, just gotta say right off the bat because I tested most of the items, and also the bag is really cute. First item we have is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter Powder, and really happy with this one because it goes on like really easily, and it's just like a little pink, light pink color, and there's like a cute little, I think it's a little leaf, flower decal shape. It's cute, and I just like the highlighter. It's like it's very faint, but it's there. I don't know if that even would show up on the camera, but it's like right there. That's cute. Next item is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. And it's like, I have this one on too. It's like a pretty red, and it blends in with my natural lip color. And it's just a really pretty matte. And it's another one of those that it dries and it actually stays on. So once this dries, I'm going to show that. Actually, you'll see. I may demonstrate again anyway with this one, because sometimes this could fade, but but it blends in with my natural lip color so that when it starts fading, it doesn't show too much, which I really like. Sweet. So I'll show that in a few minutes on it staying. Next item is the What's the Tea Iced Tea Eyeshadow by The Balm. And it says it's infused with hibiscus. And it's just like a pretty dark purple. Haven't used this one much, but it's definitely very vibrant, very smoky, I guess you could say. Just been obsessing over the eyeshadow palette that I have right now that I haven't used too much. And next item is the Mellow Precision Pen Eyeliner. And once again, wearing this one already. And it's very bold in its color. It's black, but it's very bold. And it goes on like so smoothly. I love it. I love it. And it just, honestly, oddly, it's easy to handle. I'm not usually one for, this is a thicker nib, I think that's what it would be called, than what I have on some of my other ones. It's pretty easy to handle, which I like. It's very handy. And like I said, it's very bold. So, and final item is the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser, and I have used this one washing my face to test, and it just smells so fruity, like vitamin C, you got like citrusy and stuff, and it's so good, and it leaves my skin, like, I use moisturizer anyway after I wash, but this just leaves my skin like soft and I love it. I'm gonna demonstrate the lip gloss real quick. It may come off a little bit if you can see that light red tint, but it doesn't come off too much on this finger. It doesn't come off too terribly much because like you see here, just a tiny bit. It's great. We got the little card. Dive in. Summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering, budge-proof makeup looks. Guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. And this just has a list of stuff that I got. And yeah, that's about it. Got a couple of cool items from Ipsy this month. I'm very happy with them. Quick little review again. We got the Wet n Wild highlighting powder, the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick, the Mellow Precision eyeliner, What's the Tea eyeshadow, and Essential C cleanser. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you stuck around this far, if you liked, leave a like, leave a comment. I'm always looking to improve a little bit because still learning, trying to get out there. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more from Crazy Dave's crew, and if you want to participate in the Ipsy every month, you'll get a $10 glam bag with 5 sample items every month. You can use the referral in the description. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye!